Chapter 9 verse 4 of the Holy Quran says, "We have certainly created man in the best of status." Do you tell yourself, "I love you, I appreciate you, I admire you"? When you look straight at the mirror, do you love what you see? Are you proud of what you see? Do you adore what you see? Self-love is accepting and appreciating yourself as you are in this very moment for everything that you are. Accepting your emotions for what they are and putting your physical, emotional, spiritual, and mental well-being first. Self-love can mean something different to each person because we have different perspectives and opinions. But most importantly, having a high regard for your own well-being and happiness. There are 3 categories of self-love. Physical self-love. This refers to how you see yourself in terms of your body, face, tone, height, and weight. Another category is mental self-love, and this is how you think of yourself in terms of self-acceptance, own your choices, and reaction. And lastly, we have psychological self-love. This is how you treat yourself in regards to self-respect and balancing of your emotions. Loving yourself is key. If you don't love yourself, how will you love others? How will you love your parents, siblings, friends, or even your neighbor? Loving yourself enables you to recompense back to others by showing them love. For self-love to manifest, you must prioritize yourself first. Know your worth and value, and that's the beginning of it all. Appreciate who you are. You are much more than your physical self. You are a magnificent spiritual being within your true essence. You are of infinite worth. It is your divine birthright to live a joyful life filled with love, happiness, peace, and prosperity. Rome was not built in a day, so is self-love. You have to practice it every single day by being kind, patient, gentle, and compassionate with yourself, the way you would with someone else that you care about. When you truly love yourself, life becomes amazing, brilliant, and colorful. Loving yourself enables you to be more inspired, more positive, more productive, and more focused. Imagine this. Loving yourself brings you peace, happiness. It improves your health and wellness. By being mindful of what you eat, how you dress, how you take care of your skin, and how you keep fit by exercising. All these is manifested through self-love. It is said that people who love themselves are less likely to suffer from anxiety or depression. Self-love paves way to a positive mindset, which is an essential ingredient for success in life and for mental well-being. Learning to love yourself also reduces stress, lessens procrastination, and makes you more productive. If you are struggling with loving yourself, it's most likely because you don't believe in yourself, or rather, don't have self-confidence. In some instances, no one ever showed you they love and value you. This happens especially to selfless people, where they give too much to others till they are left with nothing for themselves. It's good to give, but have limits. as the saying goes, when you are a giver, have limits, because the takers have none. A lot of people take advantage of others, especially when they realize you are selfless. They tend to manipulate you. The moment you understand what it means to love yourself, you won't allow people to use you. You will have clarity on who's genuine and who's not. You won't be settling for less than you deserve because you know your standards. Loving yourself does not mean you are selfish, have ego, or pride. People who love themselves are mistaken for being self-centered. It all depends with the person. Self-love is deep, not just the physical appearance, rather the spiritual, mental, and emotional aspect. We need to understand all the roots that lead to self-love and what it really means to love oneself. If you feel like you don't love yourself, start by being nice to yourself. Give yourself a break from self-judgment by creating a positive atmosphere. Trusting yourself by being true to yourself. And lastly, forgive yourself every time you feel you are not being true or nice to yourself. This is a journey of self-realization. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.